Hello, for Uber?
Yes.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, I am wonderful.
Good, just flying in?
Yes, I just got in here from London.
Oh, you're from London?
Yeah, I grew up there.
Oh, you don't have an accent though.
No, I just watch a lot of TV.
Okay, yeah, you kind of sound like you're from the South.
Oh,
It's
really?
not a bad thing, so. But yeah, that's cool, that's cool. So what brings you to LA?
I actually have a worm farm, a business that I'm moving over here.
A worm farm?
Yeah.
From Europe, from London, from England, from the UK to LA?
Yeah. Importing them.
I'm not judging. So, yeah, you didn't really pick a destination. You're just going to Hollywood?
Yeah, I don't know anybody here.
Well, you'll meet a ton of people. I mean, it's LA. There's so many people here.
Yeah. I just thought maybe you would be the perfect tour guide.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, well, I'll tell you a couple places while I get to your place, if you want.
Or you could totally show me them.
Yeah.
I'm always open for that.
I can point them out. I mean, we're going to drive by the Hollywood sign, so you'll see that. That'll be fun.
Really?
Yeah. And then I'll drop you off, and then I won't ever see you again.
We could be friends.
You want to be friends?
Yeah.
With me?
Yeah. I think you'd be a great first friend in LA.
I mean...
And you drive Uber. You know where you're going.
I do know where I'm going, yeah. I mean, if you want, I wouldn't mind, showing you around town. And, I just drive Uber all day, so I'm kind of lonely. I could use a friend.
I could drive it with you.
Yeah, we could drive Uber together. We could pick up
Yeah.
passengers, and kind of sounds like a movie, honestly. That would be cool.
You could install a steering wheel on the right side.
Yeah, do you like going to strip clubs?
I've only been once.
Okay.
Yeah, I went on my own.
I mean, I love going to strip clubs. Maybe we could go.
That's what people in LA do?
That's what we do every day. I mean, here.
Every day.
Are you down? Are you down?
Yeah, I mean,
All right.
when in Rome, right?
Well, we're not in Rome.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not.
Yeah.
We're in LA. So how does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. But anyways, yeah. So I guess we can go to the beach, and then we can go to my house. Well, it's technically my mom's house. I just live in the basement. And then yeah, we can do wherever our hearts take us to.
Yeah, we could go to the Hollywood sign.
Yeah. Okay.
I can meet your mom.
She's lovely. Yeah, she is. She's very nice. I was actually adopted by a Russian woman. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah. So you guys would probably get along since you guys are both, from Europe.
Yeah. Yeah. I seriously, she sounds like she'd be so sweet. I would love that. I would. Wow. Yeah, but if you want to show me around and be my friend, I would love that.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it.
You have given me such a warm welcome.
This is LA, land of hopes and opportunities, the city that never sleeps, and the Windy City.
Wow.